So what drew you to being a specialist on CEOs and personal branding? What do you love about that?
I think what I love about it is I got thrusted into it, right? So it's not like something I stumbled upon and say, oh, well, I should focus on personal branding. No, it just happened through my life. And so I'll give you a quick story. When I first met a client, he is a lawyer. I met him at the gym, and then he said, why don't you come to my office? Because I said, oh, I have a podcast, and you know, and he said, oh, come to interview me at my office. So I went into the office and did a quick interview, and edited it quickly, posted it and sent it to him. And then he was just like, he pulled me into his office and he said, I've never seen someone edit that so quickly. I need that in my business. I'm an entrepreneur. I know what I want. I want things quick. I want no excuses. I want it done. And I want you to position me as an expert. So I was like, oh, okay, cool. Sure. You know, like, you know, and that was a day that changed my life. And he's a CEO, and they have offices around the world, Nepal, here in Australia, all around Australia. And so working with him, seeing the attention to detail, what I realized is I heard a quote that says, you are a mirror of your clients. And so what that means is a lot of the clients and the people you serve, they're like you. They have the same attention to detail, the same obsession. You said something earlier. You said, I like when people come late because it gives me time to do what I do. I walked away later and I was thinking, and I said, I'm like that too. Like I literally, like when I'll be on my computer and someone's like, oh, hey, I'm gonna be late. I'm like, okay, cool. And then I can just go back, and so I'm actually happy when they're late because I wasn't done because there's so much that I'm doing. So so you're a mirror of all the people you serve. So when I learned that, it was like, wow, the people that we're helping get their personal brand out there, they're struggling with this. They have a pain that they don't know how to do this. Well, I'm good at that, but I'm just like them. I have that vision for creating a legacy for my grandchildren. I have a vision to scale and build my business. I'm the same. I don't like no excuses. I like things quick. I like things done. So that's where I just believe is really powerful about this business, and what led me into doing this more. And after him, we got more clients, because they're just all the same as me. And that's the culture that we're bringing up.
Yeah, amazing. I was listening to Cody Sanchez. I don't know if you've heard of her. She's got a book called Main Street Millionaire, I think. And she was talking to one of her mentors and said, why do you think you're more successful than other people? And he said, I'm not smarter, I'm just faster. I just do things quick, and somebody might have an idea about a business that they want to do, and they've thought about it for 6 months or 12 months, and until everything's perfect, they don't get started. But I've already done it 5 times. I've made 4 mistakes, and the 5th time it's worked. And so, so it's really about just getting in and just doing stuff, and can we do it quicker and faster and better than the competition? Because, we all have competitors in business. There's a lot of businesses that do IT. There's a lot of businesses that do social media. But how is it that we can be more professional and we can be on top of? For us, it's how can we do tickets quicker? How can we get stuff done that serves our customers better? And so I love that, the fact that you were able to do it quicker. And if you're running a business, you just need stuff done. You don't really want to sit around and wait for things.
Yeah, and like that's what it is. That's what I feel was also our unique value proposition in the marketplace. And sometimes like I get so obsessed with it, even when things happen and you start to grow and you want to protect your capacity, and now things take a little bit longer. And it's like, that drives me crazy because no, we've got to have it at this certain time frame. So sometimes things do happen, but it's about being quick. It's about being executed. We started the podcast. We didn't know what we were doing. Yeah. Me and Dad, for example, started having conversations. The microphone was terrible, the quality was terrible, but we just started. Right. And that's what Dad kept coming and he told me, I'm so glad, son, that you've told me, let's just do it. Because he was the same, but don't we need this? And when you think about something and you desire it, those things are going to pop up. We got studio equipment, we got all these things, and it led us to that result. But like you said, speed and just doing it, learning, failing forward, failing vulnerable in front of people.
Yeah, exactly.